Welcome back to My Crazy Quiz. Can you guess the animal just by its eye? You'll see one eye and 3 options. Choose the right answer and comment your score. Let's begin the fun. Can you tell the name of this animal? Tiger. Do you know this animal? Zebra. What's the name of this animal? Cheetah. Perfect guess. Let's jump to the next. Do you recognize this animal? Sheep. Buffalo, cow, ox. Which animal is this? Buffalo. Can you tell the name of this animal? Monkey. Well done. Keep the streak alive. Can you identify this? Snake. Rhino, elephant, hippo. Elephant. Can you name this one? Armadillo. Penguin. Can you identify this? Eagle. Lemur, zebra, panda. Panda. So easy to identify this one. Deer. Do you know this animal? Dolphin. Rabbit, monkey, cat. Which one is this? Cat. Peacock. Do you recognize this animal? Horse. Do you know this animal? Cow. Which animal is this? Leopard. Can you tell the name of this animal? Pig. Donkey, mule, zebra. Which one is this? Donkey. Can you identify this? Camel. Crow. Swan, dove, goose. Which one is this? swan. Can you guess this? Goldfish. Well done! You completed the easy level and each right answer you got 3 stars. Let's move on to medium level. Can you tell the name of this animal? Koala. Can you name this one? Crocodile. Owl, falcon, crow. Owl. Parrot. Turkey. Vulture. Can you guess this? Bat. Squirrel. Can you guess correctly which animal it is? Otter. Which animal is this? Walrus. Can you guess this? Shark. Do you recognize this animal? Octopus. Jellyfish, squid, octopus. Which one is this? Squid. What's the name of this animal? Seahorse. Can you guess correctly which animal it is? Lobster. Crab. Do you recognize this animal? Hyena. What's the name of this animal? Jaguar. Can you identify this? Lynx. Cougar. Can you guess correctly which animal it is? Bison. Can you guess correctly which animal it is? Moose. Can you name this one? Giraffe. Wow, you just passed medium level. Count your stars and get ready for hard level. Do you know this animal? Tortoise. Can you guess this? Falcon. Can you guess correctly which animal it is? Moose. Can you identify this? Antelope. Alligator. Do you recognize this animal? Serval. What's the name of this animal? Echidna. Tapir. Do you know this animal? Salamander. Can you guess this? Reindeer. Can you guess correctly which animal it is? Komodo. Can you identify this? Alpaca. What's the name of this animal? Snail. Which animal is this? Okapi. Can you tell the name of this animal? Chameleon. Fantastic job, Quizmasters! Remember, the crazier the quiz, the sharper your mind gets. So if you loved this challenge, make sure to hit subscribe and join us for more wild, tricky and mind-twisting quizzes right here on My Crazy Quiz. Stay sharp, stay curious and get ready for the next crazy challenge.